Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you fabulous. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU, it's like my 5th video I've done today. Only because I want to be lazy on Sunday and I want to film anymore. So I bring you a Sephora haul. That's right. I ordered a few things off Sephora. Actually, I got everything really cheap. I didn't do the VIB Rouge. Maybe I should have waited and gotten the stuff on the Rouge sale, but I didn't. But I did get these things super cheap. I wonder if I could still buy them, or maybe I'll go to Sephora and see if they could do like the difference and give me that. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So this is the little samples they give you for free. The samples are a joke all the time. I think I get more sample in the little containers when I go into the store than when I get them from them. So we got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's primer, moisturizer, and one. I don't think I've seen this. And I like Smashbox, so that's one. And then the next thing is this Protini Polypeptide Cream 9 Signal Peptides by Drunk Elephant. Love me some Drunk Elephant. I'll be putting these in my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Hopefully they last that long because they are samples and they might dry out. So those are going in this giveaway. So packaged up. I forgot what I ordered. So forget. Look at that. So forget. Is there anything in here? So forgive me. No, paper. Actually, I did a really good job packaging myself. Oh, I got the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder for free. This came free if I spent over 40 bucks or 30 bucks. Because this was less than $40. Yeah, this was less than $40. So I'm actually kind of excited. Ugh, no, mis uñas. I always have a hard time opening these boxes with my nails. So comment down below, how's everybody doing? I know I've been going live a little more often. I even joined a live with Mrs. Queen Bee Blanca. I was on her live stream. She invited me on. Do I have one of these? I don't know. I'll have to check. So that's the Hourglass. That's a nice size sample, pretty much. And it is in the color Veil. I love translucent setting powder. Some of it doesn't agree with all of your foundations. You always have to be careful. Color, bájate. You know, I don't know how many of these veils are. I don't know if I have a bigger one of these. Hopefully I do somewhere. Ooh, now I remember. So there we go. Some more goodies. I did buy one of these for the giveaway, my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'll do that one last. So I bought the Jouer Funfetti Powder Highlighter Long Wear Lip Topper. This was very inexpensive. I'm going to go on their website today because I know that's the 20% or yeah, with the VIB Rouge sale. So I'm going to go on there today to see. Oh, I think I have this. There's some Jouer. I don't want to swatch or open it because this may go in the giveaway. I say may because I might send it to my daughter. Oh, am I dropping stuff? So that's the highlighter. Very pretty. Oh, I look dirty. That's pretty. It's got like a hint of pink in it. It's very pretty. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or send it to my daughter. So, or even put it in a giveaway. But that's, and it was so inexpensive. I forgot how much it was. But it was really cheap. I think it was less than $10 or $15. And it's the lip toppers, this one. And then the Ultra Foil Liquid Shimmer Eye Toppers, this one. Again, that's what it looks like. This is nice. So that's Funfetti. Yeah, I don't have the paper in here to tell me how much everything was. But everything in here was less than 40 bucks. So we got that. And then we have the Becca Glow Gloss. My cat's like getting into everything, but I didn't want him chewing on something. I don't want him to get sick. I was gonna start chewing on an eraser. Oh, this is so pretty. This is the Becca Gloss. This is going in the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I ordered that just for the giveaway. So this is going in my, once I reach 2,000 subscribers, that's going in the giveaway. And I'm going to have 2 winners for that. I also picked up the Ordinary Caffeine Solution. I also picked this up for a giveaway. I've got lots of goodies going in for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, and I am like 300 away to meet that goal. So this is also going in that 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I bought that just for the giveaway. And then the last item in here, I didn't get a piece of paper. I thought maybe I did, and I took it out and I put it somewhere. This is the last item. Oh wait, yes, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm back, and guess what? Prices are not in here. I did buy this about a week and a half ago, so maybe they will honor the 20%. If not, I'll return everything and then repurchase everything with the 20%. I could do that too. Oh, I got this with my points. How many points was this? 500 points. I have lots of points. That's why it has the Sephora Beauty Insider. I got this with my points. The Laura Mercier. It's New York. Let's see. I already could tell it's going to be so little. The Insider points is such a wash too, because it's so tiny, tiny, tiny. Yep, this is the 500 point set. The 500 point set. It's a beautiful thing. Curated by us. These little polka dot boxes are filled with some of the most sought after products out there, from coveted classics to on the moment must-haves. The best part, your beauty shopping got you here. So go on, dive in, you earned it. Yeah, like 500 points is a lot of money. It's a lot of damn money. But that's what it looks like when you open it. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to discuss what 500 points is relevant to cash. So let's not go there. So I got that. I've been wanting to try the primer. And then we also have the mascara. And this is Caviar. Oh, I got a sample. I want a sample of this from Rhonda Said. So that's the mascara. And this is in Caviar Volume. And then I've got the translucent powder. I already have one of these. I don't remember if I like it or not. I got the powder. The translucent powder, Laura Mercier. And then we have a lipstick. And you guys know I love me some lipstick, or should I say rouge. This is the Rouge Essential. Is that the color on here? It's the Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick and Rouge Ultimate. Looks red. It's so cute. That's what it looks like. It's very, very tiny. Oh man, it's got a sticker on it. Okay. My poor nail. Okay guys, I'm trying to peel this so we can see the color. I love lipsticks. I normally don't give lipsticks away. If I give lipsticks away, it's because I already have it. I love me some lipstick. All you need sometimes is a good lipstick, some mascara, and you're good to go. Oh man, I dirtied it. Okay, so that's what ooh, oh, it is so pretty. That's the color. That is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. So that's everything I got from Sephora. So again, is there anything else in here? No. So we got this. I used my points. I got this for 500 points. And I got the mascara, the Laura Mercier primer, the lipstick rouge, and the translucent powder. I got that. And it comes in this cute little box. I got that. And then we also got the Funfetti Jouet. Jouet, is that how you say it? If I have this already, I might send it to my daughter if she wants it. If she doesn't want it, it may go in the giveaway, but more likely I'll send it to my daughter who's out in Japan. Send that to her. And then I bought this for the giveaway, the Ordinary. So this is definitely going in the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. That's the caffeine solution. This is great stuff. But right now I'm in a Good Molecules kick, so I've been using Good Molecules. And then this is the Becca Glow Gloss Champagne Cream. This is also going in the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Like I said, there's two giveaways. But I bought these specifically for the giveaway. That's gonna go over there. And then I got this for free, which is the veil. I think I had to use a code veil. Wait, and then I got these two little packages, the little sample packages they give you for free. These are going in the giveaway as well. Drunk Elephant and the Smashbox. I've got a whole pile of stuff going on over there for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And then I also got the Veil Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. I'm not sure if I have this. I want to say I do have it, and then I want to say I don't. I can't remember. But that's the Hourglass Translucent Powder. Is it sealed? Yes, it's sealed. That's what it looks like. And that's everything. That Hourglass got the little H in there. Just noticed that. And that's everything that came in my Sephora haul. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you like? Do you like the items I got for the giveaway? You think they're good items for the giveaway? The Ordinary and the Becca lip gloss. I think the Becca lip gloss would go with any kind of skin tone. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know. Did you like the items I got? Did I waste my points? Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know. Just comment. Let me know how your day's going. I love to hear from you guys. I don't see all of you in my live streams because a lot of you are sleeping, or you're working, or you're just busy with your life, and I don't get to talk to you, so I don't know what's going on. But yeah, comment down below. Oh, we also have a giveaway going on until November 14th. I will link my video of the pumpkins, and then that video will take you to Gina's video. But these are my cha-chas. You get to meet my cha-chas in my video, and I talk about them, and go vote for me. Anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. I am truly glad. I'm truly appreciative that you're here. Until next time, hasta later.